KTM, ready to race.
You can't buy happiness, but you can buy a motorcycle, and that's basically the same thing.
The KTM RC8C is a rare, track-focused bike for those looking for authentic competition performance. The RC8C is a highly limited, unique motorcycle with only 100 of these rare weapons going into production. The heart of the RC8C is the 128 horsepower, 889 cubic centimeters DOHC 8-valve LC8C twin-cylinder engine from the KTM 890 Ducati, anchored to a multi-tubular chassis made of chrome molybdenum steel and paired with a 6-speed gearbox. The latest addition to the Austrian brand's 2022 lineup is a bike engineered to race. It reflects its competitive vocation in components like the air filter box, specific competition filter, and the Acropovic exhaust with titanium silencer. Up front, you get a fully adjustable WP Apex Pro 7543 hand-built closed cartridge 43mm fork based on the KTM RC16 from MotoGP. The fork also features zero hydraulic stroke limitation, meaning riders can control damping characteristics at all times. The rear mounts a WP Apex Pro 7746 shock absorber with preload regulator. The KTM RC8C shows in every detail its approach to on-track performance. For example, it has a tank with a quick closing cap and body panels made of Kevlar reinforced fiberglass. Lightness is achieved through Dynamag forged wheels and Pirelli SC1 racing tires and the aerodynamic work developed for MotoGP and competition transmission chain. In addition, the RC8C features CNC milled triple clamps with adjustable offset for tailored rider control. The brakes include Brembo Stylema front calipers with 290mm floating aluminum discs fastened by titanium screws and a 2-piston rear Brembo caliper with a 230mm floating disc. The radial master cylinder is the Brembo 19 RCS Corsa Corta, adopted from MotoGP. The KTM RC8C uses an AIM-MXS 1.2 race control and data logging panel with an integrated GPS. The information is displayed through a 5 TFT screen with integrated data collection and is analyzed in AIM Race Studio. The 2022 KTM RC8C starts at $38,999 US / $50,630 Canadian dollars.